In this video, I'm going to show you how to export job postings from Indeed to Excel in bulk. As an example, we will be exporting a list of driver jobs. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To scrape a list of driver jobs from Indeed to Excel, we'll use the no-code bot builder. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Install Botster's free Chrome extension. Search for the no-code bot builder. Click on the green button to create a custom bot. Select the list scraper. Name your job. Enter a link and click on Select Elements. Press Let's Start and click on the title of the first job. Add the elements you need to export. For example, job titles and job links. Select pagination type. Select the number of Indeed jobs to extract. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted Indeed job list to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of Indeed job postings, including job titles and links. You can scrape other details if you need. Sign up on Botster, scrape job postings from Indeed and other headhunting platforms using the no-code bot builder, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.